I am starting day 5. I am currently behind, but this page took a lot longer than I thought it would. I do like the idea of having this tribe. That's the prompt for day 5 is just tribe, and I wanted to create this trio of girls, but it was a lot more work than I thought it would be. But I like the idea. I want to do this when I have more time, when I'm not doing a challenge. I did feel a bit rushed. I was trying to figure out how to kind of cut corners to make it easier on myself. And I think that when I turn this into a painting, I'll be able to really take my time. But it was really nice to kind of figure out how to get what was in my mind on paper. And I really like how this turned out. I tried to use a different color palette, and to be honest, I really prefer my darker colors to like these more pastel bright colors, but it was a nice change. I really do feel like if you are a creative artist and you're kind of struggling trying to make it, trying to figure out what makes you tick, you're definitely a part of my tribe because we're all in this together. And I don't think it matters if you're a beginner or if you've been doing this for years. There's always something new to learn, and there's always something new to try as well. So I like seeing everyone's pages out there, and I hope you keep going. I do like how the color pencil helped each of the faces to come together, but I think I would have tried to use paint to give more depth to each of the faces if I had more time. I think overall I do like how it came together. I think that when it comes to Thursday and Friday, it's the hardest times for me to get art journaling done because of my work schedule. So I'm trying to figure out how I can work around that. I know a lot of you have the same issue. You're trying to figure out to get how to be creative on your busiest days, but I'm still working through that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.